Hi everyone, I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEAM activities. In winter, ice art competitions or festivals are held all over the world. You can see some cool ice art and sculptures there. Today, we are going to create our own ice art. Sounds cool, right? Let's go! The materials we need today are a plate, salt, food coloring, and ice. Freeze water in plastic storage containers of different shapes and sizes. Take the ice out of the container and set it on the plate. One small tip: use a plate with a rim or a bowl to hold the water from the melting ice and food coloring. Sprinkle salt over the ice. Wait a few seconds and watch how the salt works on the ice. Can you see that the salt creates some tunnels into the ice? Now, let's color the ice with food coloring. Put a few drops of food coloring on the ice. You can use watercolors instead of food coloring. Look! Food coloring moves through the tunnels inside the ice formed by melting salt. Wow, this ice art is great! I hope you try this at home and have a fun STEAM day. I will tell you the science behind this in the next video. This is for today. Try it at home and tell me how you go by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more contents like this. Thank you. Bye!